Hello, welcome to MK2 Golf Stories. Today we're looking at the headlights because, as you can see, they're pretty weak and doing this weird stuff. So yeah, let's go. So we've got one of these headlight upgrade kits, cheap jobby from eBay. I'll put a link in the description below. And how this works is you plug this into your normal light bulb feed. These go into your bulbs, and when you put them on main beam and headlight, it takes power from the battery. So we'll figure out where we're going to put this first of all, and then we'll get it all wired up and see if it works. Maybe we'll see if it works first and then get it in place. Yeah, we'll do that. So we have earths on each side of these looms. What we're going to do is we're going to attach them to the front of a light housing. And then we can get this on. So that should provide a nice earth. I don't like all these sharp bloody screws sticking out here where the bare wires are. Look at that. It can cause a short.
That's dodgy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You need caps on them, really. Rubber caps. How's it going?
Just needs to bite it and it should go in.
Is it one of them big rubber thing though?
There you go, it's going in now. There you go.
It's dead tight, so it doesn't move.
That's tight, it's not moving anywhere, that.
Right.
Yeah. What are we going to do with that?
You could put one of the screws on top, but I don't think that'd be very tight. Try one of the screws at top.
One of them?
Yeah. Oh, no, that's no good. Yeah, it'll be alright. Yeah,
Let's plug these in, give it a test. So we're taking power from this headlight. Take the feed from here. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
That goes to this.
Alright.
That goes on this light.
Oh, I see. Right, very clever.
Turn it over there, plug that one in that side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, that's trouble with this one. That bloody box in the way, isn't it?
Right. Let's see what they look like now then. Oh, that's interesting.
What's up?
That light's on. Just give them put the ignition on them. Have you knocked the indicator stalk? The parking light.
That's a good one that came on the parking light.
Both sides, which way you knock it. It's still on.
Still on?
Yeah.
Oh, flashing though.
Yeah, nice and bright as well. Put the ignition on.
But is that still on?
Yeah. Turn the lights on, Dad, normal lights.
Yeah. Try left, right indicator's not working.
I don't care about the indicators at the moment. Take it off full beam. You're on dipped or full beam there. Right, and then flash it. That's dipped. Right.
That's okay.
Go back to sides. What's going on? Why is one not working? What is the side lights that are on? Side light's this little, is that a little bulb? It is, that's a little bulb.
It was on before, wasn't it, when the ignition was turned off?
Hang on. Hang on a minute. So why is the headlight not coming on the first thing?
Even with them new wiring.
Give me that. Is the ignition on?
Yeah.
Should come on that. It's not coming on.
What's that thing?
That's for the internal light dimmer. That.
There's something in here that's not.
Say that.
What are you doing?
Just plug this back in. See if the. Right, put it back. Turn them back on. Ignition back on.
I've just got one side on.
No, plug them both back in. Side lights. Why are they not working at all? The side lights were working previously, weren't they?
Can't remember, Scott.
That's headlights. That's side lights.
I'm showing you.
That's not on at all now. What the f? There's a fuse blown. So we know the problem down with this headlight and the indicator to basically a wire on the indicator, the green and black wire. If that's disconnected from the indicator loom, then the side light doesn't work. I'm not sure what's going on there. It could just be a faulty stalk, and maybe that's the reason for the lights being funny in the first place. And maybe we didn't need to do this job of installing this new upgraded loom. But it's installed now, and it does give a brighter headlight, so it's all good. There we go, that's it for this episode. Thank you for joining us. If you found it useful, please give us a like and click on subscribe. If you think it might be the indicator stalk or something else which is causing the problem with the indicator and lights, let us know. Until next time, bye bye.